X-16 under table cover removal. Power down the printer. Remove the power and Ethernet cables. Remove one cap and one Phillips head screw, left and right bottom sides. Remove the two Phillips head screws from the top of the rear cover. Lean back on the cover and disconnect the Ethernet cable. Disconnect the brown, blue, and yellow-green cables from the switch and power connector. Remove the two caps and two Phillips head screws from the front of the cover. Remove the two caps and two Phillips head screws from the rear of the cover. From the rear of the printer, slightly lift up on the cover and slide back to remove.